from the Macau. Also he joined the tour. Also they okay. In the evening when we go to the border, disappear. She taking the bus go to Guangzhou. Guangzhou is another city. Do you know Guangzhou? It's another city. 3 hours driving. Same time the policeman arrived at the hotel. Say hello. So now more than 1 year still have the free lunch, free dinner, beautiful same uniform. So in the China impossible. Other place CCTV cannot.
Ganda din ng
And
road
also
trip,
we are
guys.
using the paper visa.
Ganda
10
din ng
people
view.
on the visa, 10 people enter, 10 people must be go out. I believe 99.99% you are working in Hong Kong. In China, even no language, it's very hard for you to survive. But still, 0.0001%. Someone have the
Ang
other
ganda ng
ideas.
bulaklak.
Please, taking
Sa
care of
tuktok
each
lang siya,
other.
no?
Okay? This is one. And another important reason,
Nasa top
more
ang
important reason
bulaklak.
why we taking your passport. You know your Philippine people, how crazy you are when you're taking the pictures. From the immigration, on the way, in the bus. In the bus, what are you taking? I know I'm beautiful, but no need always you make video for me. You have to make sure you have enough thing with you. Okay? Because later, in the evening, everyone taking the picture in the Yinxiang, the glass bridge, in the snow, you don't want to run away. I understand you want to go back, but how can you go back? I can borrow my ID, give to you, you use my ID, go back? Impossible. So that's why, another important reason, we keep your documents with us. If like this, if 2 handbag lost, okay, I can give you money, go back. You can give money, go back, right? Everyone we can help you, sending you go back to Hong Kong. Make sure your work, still your work, right? If you cannot go back, you know, waiting the long procedure for the passport, for everything, all
May bicycle
so this is
lane.
part of each other. And later, also when I counting the group, what's the number? Okay, another 10. I will forget. So when I 3, you are here. 4, you are here. 5, you are here. I will give you the numbers and right? Yes. And now I gave you 1 minute. You can sleep. 1 minute. I will be talk. And then we will be arrived. So it means like we just eating outside of Yinxiang Resort because you know. So we go for eat first and then we go to the park for the afternoon like this. And here, before we go to Yinxiang, what we will do? We will stop here around 50. You are so lucky just now. If you find a Chinese girlfriend, you can invite your Chinese girlfriend. Don't ask me how much first. You know why? If you don't like, why you wasting your money? If you really like, I said I don't selling. You no, I want to buy. You will catching me. You want to pay money, right? So taking the picture
Ito yung
is
safari.
compulsory. Buying, you
No.
when you see the picture, you decide you like or not.
Ito
And
naman
then
ang
you
ano nila
decide
sa
you want to
gilid
buy or not.
ng
Okay.
kalsada
So
nila.
see the
Itong
left
mga
hand.
halaman na to. Oh. No?
And also, when we're taking the pictures, everyone, attention, I have one request. What I request to you, you see, so hard.
Baka dito
If
muna
one
tayo.
person go there, one person go there, wasting your time, right? I request to you, making one single line. One person, I need only 2 seconds. So we can finish, maybe just 1 minute, right? And later, group picture is your free time. I can give you
Oh,
another
ito na dito
5
na
minutes,
una
we
kasi
finish
madadaanan
our
natin.
solo and group, 10 minutes for your own picture, your free time. If your small group, you wanted a picture for your small group, everyone,
Ayan, nakarating na tayo sa ating first destination, guys. First destination, dito na tayo. Senan Boulevard.
public toilet.
Malaking elepante.
Standing here, solo picture, solo picture. One by one, solo picture. Solo first.
May bayad dyan pag gusto mo kunin. Ayan, pictorial sila. Ito ang mga kasama namin guys. Pero sa group namin ay 6 kami. Ayan, ang ganda ng sikat ng araw guys. Akala ko dito ang safari. Hindi naman yata. Ito ang unang view na napuntahan namin pero hindi ito yung safari. Safari. Dito pa lang kami sa bungad guys. Pero gusto kong ipakita sa inyo. Ayan. Kasi siyempre bagong lugar kaya magandang panoorin o ipakita. Kaya para makita nyo din ang aking napasyalan dito sa Shenzhen. Ganda ng view. Yan ang malalaking elepante. Elephants. Ang ganda ng sinag ng araw. Hindi tulad nung ilang araw sa Hong Kong na umuulan. Akala ko nga maulan pa rin dito ngayon. Hindi naman pala. Maganda ang panahon guys. Kaya nagkataon naman. Pababa dito. Andun ang bus namin oh. Ayan ang aming bus. Babalik pa rin naman yata kami dito mamaya. Pero gusto kong ipakita na sa inyo dito. Kahit papano makita nyo din ang magandang view dito sa parte ng Shenzhen. Ang ganda ng mga ulap po. Ang ganda ng ulap. Ang ulap. Ayan, ang mga bus. Mga sasakyan. Ayan. Ayan ang mga kasama ko. Diyan pa nagpipictorial pa sila. Ako ay kasama namin sa bus. Yung mga kasama ko bumalik na sa bus. Ayaw nilang maggala. Maaraw talaga. Dahil vlogger tayo. Kahit maaraw, go, go, go! Para may mapakita sa inyo guys. Salamat sa mga viewers na laging nakasupport sa aking live at mga premiere. Balik na tayo sa bus natin. Ang ganda ng sinag ng araw. Kaya ayan ang kanilang China flag. Ito din ang kanilang ano, yan. Ay, may mga flowers doon. Pero babalik pa rin yata kami mamaya dito guys. Panibago ulit na vlog. Ito ang well known na may ano sila, Splendid China Miniature Scenic Spot, Shenzhen, China. Ito ang kanyang puno. Ayan. Tapos ito yung umiikot na gulong. Ayan. Ito ang umiikot na gulong.
It's not the normal heart. If anytime you feel it not so good, please let me know, okay? Yes, this is very important. Okay, so now we will have a long driving, 1 hour 10 minutes. We will come to the restaurant. So now, please do one thing. Also, this is the easy way for you to earning 200 yuan in China. What you need to do?
Hello guys, andito na kami. Nakarating na kami dito sa Yanxian Resort. dito. Waiting pa. Waiting kami dito. Ito ang magandang puno dito sa harapan ng Yinshan Resort. Yan, may spa doon. Oh. Tapos ito in introduction, Dongguan Yinshan Resort. Scenic area. Tapos ito yung map niya. Map.
Uy,
Ito
pili
ang
ano si
map.
ma'am?
By group, by group.
Kulang tanwa. 1 to 4.
Ito ang aming ano, guide, tourist guide, si Miss Beautiful. Ang ganda dito, parang parang kahoy pero hindi. Ito ang kanilang buti na lang tumigil ang ulan. Ang lakas ng ulan kanina, nasa bus kami guys. Yan, akyat na kami guys. Yan dyan. Yan dyan. Ito ang entrance. Main entrance. Ang ganda na ng panahon. Ganda ng mga punong kahoy. May lion. Ayan. Nandito na kami sa loob. Ayan guys. Oh. Ang ganda. Siya mamat! May cart para sa bata. Ah, ang ganda. Ito ang para sa safari siguro, ano?
We already come to this side of the map. So here, it will be our final meeting place here. We back, no, sorry. 4:30. 4:30, we back here. 4:30. 4:30, okay?
Okay.
We back here. So now you say that the flowers is nice. I can stop. And 4:30 we are here.
Let's go to the glass bridge. Ang ganda na ng panahon, guys.
Ano lang siya? Paano to ni kailis man?
Ayan, oo. Pictorial. Doon. Ay, may kanyon-kanyon pa. Ayan, ang ganda to. Ang ganda guys. Talagang pang tourist area. Kanya-kanyang pictorial na. Ako'y taga ano na lang. Taga video. Dito pa lang pinaka-entrance guys. Yan o, papasok na sila. Ay. Ayan o. Chinese character ang entrance. Ayan pa lang glass bridge guys. Oh my gosh. Akyat na tayo guys. Isa pa ulit. Pwede rin maglakad dyan. Oh. Lakad pa. Yan na, oh my gosh. Yan, mataas din pala ang akyatin. Ayan na, dito na kami guys. Sa glass bridge na.
The middle of the bridge,
Oh,
nice view in the middle. Pictures can be taken from the two sides.
Come on, go, go, go. Hello, let's go, let's go.
oh my God. Hindi na ako titingin sa baba.
咱们靠右手边稍等一下哈，下午好，稍等一下，这个上面还是几位呢？
Uy, parang umuuga. Oh my God.
我这个不好意思哈，咱们
Uy, dahan-dahan lang. Oh my gosh. Hindi, okay lang din. Oh, hindi naman nakakatakot pala.
Wala ka siya guyog, parang siyang...
Oo. Ayan. Parang umuuga. Parang umuuga.
Uy, Diyos ko lang. Hala, hindi ko kaya. Uy, niuyog lagi ni.
Ayan po, oh. Oh. Oh, ang ganda ng view guys. Andito na kami sa glass bridge. Ito, oh, ayan ang glass bridge. Hindi naman nakakatakot. Okay lang. Ayan, oh. Oh, Diyos ko. Ang ganda din, no? Parang umuuga lang.
Umuuga nga. Kasi marami tayo at umuuga. Ay!
Ayan, oh. Ayan ang sakyan namin. Ayan, dyan kami bababa po. Mamaya dyan, oh. Yung tubig na yan. Falls. Paulit-ulit na lang guys. Ang ganda. Ayun, oh, paakyat na ganun. Yung pang ganun na akyatan. Tapos, ang ganda. Ayan talagang gustong-gusto ko yung trademark nilang ano, corners ng bahay-bahay. Ito yung train-train din sa baba, oh. Train-train din. Ayan na, oh, yung umakyat kanina. Ayan na, ayan na. Ah! Hindi naman siguro masyadong splash yan. Ayan, ito na oh. Tingnan nyo ang maliliit na umiikot na yan. Sasakay din siguro kami dyan mamaya. Oh, tingnan nyo. Ito. Wala pang umakyat eh. Kabababa pa lang nun oh. Wala pang umakyat. Oo, punta tayo doon. Ramdam mo talaga yung ano eh, yung uga. Ayan yung ano, nabasa sila. Andun oh, yung Big Buddha, ang laki. Ang laki ng Big Buddha. Oh, yun lang, hurry up daw, hurry up. Let's go. No, ay, hindi ko nakunan. Nag-splash. Ang ganda guys. Ferris wheel. Ayan. Malayo din ang ano, glass bridge. Malayo din. Baka isang, hindi ko alam kung gaano kalayo. Ayun oh, ando ng Big Buddha. Andito na tayo guys. Ah, ito yung ano, pag-apakan mo naggaganyan. Kaya matatakot ka talaga. Baba pa pala guys. Baba ulit.
Ang daming makukuha nandito.
Akyat, baba. Ay sus, baba pa ulit. Talagang hiking din naman to. Baba pa. At ito na yung nakita natin sa taas. Ang Ferris wheel. Yung caterpillar. Maganda. Ito. Ayan o. Ayan, andito na tayo sa baba guys. Ayan na ang glass bridge. Ayan. As lakad tayo papunta doon sa splash. Sasakay tayo doon. Oh, Pirates of the Caribbean. Ayan guys, oh, yan ang grass bridge. Ayan. Hindi man nakakatakot. Hello guys, oh, nagkita-kita kami nila.
Yannick vlog.
Kayo kasi
Thank you.
Saturn. Oh, nagkita-kita kami dito sa
Shenzhen.
Shenzhen, dito sa resort. Isa kami, bus tour. Nag-tour kami. Tapos nagkita-kita kami sa lunch area. Oh, di ba? Mag-hi kayo, Garod.
Hello! Welcome to Evelyn's vlog.
Ano taga
mo? Kumusta
kayo? Ano mo, yung channel mo. Ikaw si
Yannick vlog.
at saka si
James Saturn. The only. The only one.
Let's support guys. Shout out sa lahat.
Hello, Team Kubo. Hi, Team Kubo.
Hello.
We are here.
Namimiss nila kayo. Okay. At least may 1 minute.